Hey everybody, this is Ryan. What you see right here in the background here is a spiral LED floor lamp that changes a variety of different colors, from bright white to natural white to sleep mode, a whole bunch of very cool features. I want to share with you all these different things in great detail. And first and foremost, this company did provide this to me, but in no way whatsoever will they provide to me a fictitious review, because I'm just here to keep it real. Let me switch the camera around and show you what all comes with this and how cool it is. Assembly time on this takes about 2 minutes, because all you have to do is screw in the base, one more short pull, and then this all comes together, all nice, packed up, nice and neat. Comes with its own power supply. There is a foot pedal activator, so you can press that to turn it off, or you can press it to turn it on. The real fun, it comes with this remote. There are no batteries that come with this. It does need two AAA batteries to get this working. And here are some very cool features. First thing is, this thing from a height standpoint is about, I'd say, 4.5 feet tall. So about 4.5 feet tall, right to about there. It has a variety of different settings here. So you can turn it off or on, as you can see there. Then you can switch to more of a natural warm light. You can switch to more of a cool bright white there. You also can adjust the brightness. So you can see there it's getting brighter. You can go dim. Very, very easy to use. That's more of your warm light effect right there. It does also have a built-in automatic nighttime mode, sort of like a night light, where you click that and automatically drops the brightness down and it leaves the color. So if you're on the warm color, it stays warm color and just drops that down. And then you would just go ahead and increase the brightness depending on what you want to do after that. It also has a sleep mode. So if you wanted to click it once, you have roughly 30 minutes. If you click it twice, it'll go for like that. It flashes twice. That lets you know after either 30 minutes, or in this situation, a double flash. After 60 minutes, it will automatically turn off. Very, very cool if you're just trying to set it and forget it. A close-up of the actual rod. This is sort of a, I would say it's a flat black color. Sort of flat black. Black on the inside, and then you have this white sheath, if you will, that's translucent. You can't see the LED fixtures on the inside when it's like this, and then when it's on, it just has one continuous glow. You really can't see, for the most part, you can't see the individual lights that are on the inside. It does have a little weight to it. I'd say it's probably close to 10 pounds or so. It's not going to easily tip over. And it also, on the bottom, has sort of a velvety, soft bottom, so it's not going to slide around if you have it on hard woods. Very nice construction. It's not going to go anywhere. You also have about 6 feet of distance from here to here as far as when you plug it into where it goes. So you can kind of gauge, where that might fit depending on, your layout. Hopefully this answers any questions you might have of this really cool color changing spiral LED floor lamp. And we'll talk to you soon.